Are you struggling to find the perfect image that matches your imagination? Well, don't worry, because in today's video, we reveal the top 3 image generators that will bring your wildest ideas to life with just a few clicks. Watch until the end of the video and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's get started. Bing.com is a powerful image creator tool that allows users to explore their creativity and transform their ideas into captivating visuals. To access this website, first, open image creator Bing.com in your web browser, or simply click the link in the video description. Click on the first link that comes up. Before you start creating an image first, you need to sign in your email account. After signing in, it will take you to its main page where you can explore or create your own ideas into images. To do that, simply go to the search bar and write your idea, and then click the Create button. Here are the results. Check the pictures if it was what you were looking for. You can share, save, and download the image. PromptHunt. PromptHunt is a platform specifically designed to inspire and stimulate writers' creativity. It provides a vast collection of writing prompts that serve as starting points or ideas to kickstart the writing process. Whether you're a novelist, blogger, or simply enjoy writing as a hobby, PromptHunt is the website for you. To access this website, click on the link in the description or search PromptHunt in your web browser. To access free credits, click the Sign Up button. Select Create from the menu in your top right. You can select from a variety of templates here. Simply choose what you like. Then you have your image size. Choose if you want a tall image, square image, or wide image. Select your preferred image size. Here you can also upload your own image. The next advanced option is our guidance, which enables us to convert what we write into an image. The higher the quality image you want, the longer it takes. Let's begin generating an image. Before generating, first choose your image template. Then write your prompt. Once you are done, select the type of image you want, then click the Create button. However, if you don't like the outcome, you can upload an existing image here, and it will attempt to create your prompt in the same manner as the image you uploaded. This one has good looks. Here is the outcome. Lexica is a free online platform that celebrates digital art, providing a space for artists to showcase their work and connect with a global community of enthusiasts and collectors. Click on the link in the description or search Lexica Art. To sign up, click Get Started in the menu bar. Here are a few of the images created by other users. You can either create an image or search for one. Search for the image you're looking for. Pick the one you like from the images that other users have created. This one looks good. And you can download it if you want. Click the Generate button to create your own image. Enter a prompt in the search bar. The prompt can be anything you want. Just describe your thoughts. Next, choose the image's size and then press Generate. They look very good and attractive. You can also download it if you want. Hey there! Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, I would appreciate it if you could give this video a big thumbs up. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you never miss an update from me. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.